So now I'll be taking a question from educational round 116 of Code Forces. It was rated for Division 2. So the name of the question is AB balance. So in this question we are given a string and we need to find the number of occurrences of AB, of the substring AB and substring BA. And we need to make them equal. If they are initially equal, then we'll print the string itself. Otherwise, we'll print the string which we achieve in minimum number of steps such that AB is equals to BA. For this we can see the examples. So in the first example we can see that number of occurrence of AB and BA is both 0, which is equal. So we directly print the string. In the second case also we can see that so basically contiguous occurrences of the same character does not make any difference. We can think it to be ABA directly. So number of occurrences of AB is 2 and number of occurrences of BA is also 2. So we will not change the string, or the string will remain untouched and will print it. In this case, the occurrence of AB is 1 and occurrence of BA is 0. So we'll try to make them equal. So in this way, in single step, we can make them equal by changing A to B. So by observation, we can see that in this question there can be particularly two cases. First case is that the number of occurrences of AB and BA is equal. This will only happen in a case when the first character and the last character of the string, of the given string, are same. In such a case, we'll directly print the string which is given to us. In the other case, we are given such a string such that number of occurrences of AB is not equals to BA. By observation, we can see that the number of occurrences cannot differ by 1. So if number of occurrences of AB is more than BA, this can only be in such a case such that the string starts with A and ends with B. In this case, we'll try to reduce the number of occurrences of AB. For this, we'll change this last B to A. So the number of occurrence of AB will reduce by 1 and will become equal. Now in the second sub case, the number of occurrences of BA is greater than the number of occurrences of AB. In such a case, we will try to reduce the number of occurrences of BA. For that, we can change the first occurrence of B to A. Thus, the number of occurrence of BA will reduce by 1 and become equal to that of AB. This is all we need to do in this question. So in the question we are given t-test cases, we will take the input. Now we'll run a loop and try to find the occurrence of AB and BA. If the number of occurrences are same, we'll print the string. Else, now if number of occurrences of AB is greater than BA, in such a case, we'll change the last occurrence of B. In the other case, we'll change the first occurrence of B. So we'll try the program on the test cases. Okay, so the code is accepted.